If you want to change the theme on the Xiaomi 15T or 15T Pro, then in that case we can use the theme app, or themes actually, that you can find on your phone right from the get-go. It is pre-installed on your phone, so you should be able to use it quite easily. Now over here we can switch to themes at the top, and you can find a bunch of different themes that we can download, mostly for free. So you can try to find your favorite one. Let's say I'm gonna pick up this one. And over here we have this download button. We also have the preview of the theme. We can also see that most of the time app icons are also updated. So you can try to find the one that you like the most. Maybe let's say I'm gonna choose this one. Let's just download it. And before you actually apply the theme, you can also tap on customize in order to choose what would you like to actually apply from that theme. I'm gonna actually include everything. And of course there are chances that you will see compatibility issues message because these themes may have been created for previous operating versions, I mean the OS versions, but most of the time they should work anyway. Of course there shouldn't be any issue with applying the theme icon or with changing the wallpaper and so on and so forth. As you can see, this is how it looks like. We have the app drawer as well, so it looks pretty nice. And that is pretty much it. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe.